Now, this is an important video to make sure you're not consuming too much protein. So I'm going to tell you the top sign to know that you're consuming too much protein. If you like videos about keto and health, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also get your free customized keto diet plan now in the description down below. So, let's get started. The first symptom to appear is gastrointestinal sickness. What exactly is this gastric discomfort? It's a general feeling of discomfort and uneasiness in your digestive tract, basically. It's as though you have a gut feeling that something is wrong. Number 2, dysphoria is characterized by a change in your emotional state. Dysphoria is characterized by feelings of pervasive discontent, restlessness, dissatisfaction, or simply frustration. You just don't feel like yourself right now. Lethargy, which is number 3. This is characterized by a lack of energy, sluggishness, and just a lack of excitement, and it does not indicate weakness. As a result, all 4 of these symptoms may signal that you are ingesting an excessive amount of protein. Now, on a ketogenic diet, you should never consume more than 30% of your total calories from protein. For this reason, I recommend that you keep your protein calories to approximately 20% of your total calories, because otherwise your blood, urea, and nitrogen levels will rise, resulting in an increased production of protein waste, and the appearance of your urine being slightly foamy and smelling strangely. But here's the thing, there's a catch. When you consume protein, you will experience skeletal muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of your dietary protein being converted into muscle protein and repair. You know, up to a maximum of around 5 grams per meal. The problem is that as you start to go over this level, you'll see less and less protein synthesis and more oxidation, which means that protein will be burned as fuel since it will be converted into sugar. So, let's suppose you're getting 50 grams of protein per meal and you've doubled your protein intake. It is unlikely that half of that protein will be utilized in synthesis. Whether it's for the growth of new muscle or the repair of existing muscle, it'll be used as oxidation or fuel. What is this going to do to your keto plant, you might wonder? Your ability to adapt will be diminished as a result of this. Your blood sugar levels will rise as a result of this. Your insulin levels will rise slightly, not as much as they would if you were eating sugar, but they will rise to a modest level, resulting in decreased ketone synthesis. So following a ketogenic diet does not imply consuming a large amount of protein. Rather, it implies consuming a reasonable amount of protein. I would very appreciate it if you could share your success story with me if you're enjoying my information, which I hope you are doing, and you're putting this knowledge to your health and have a positive result. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your well-being, tick the notification bell. Also get your free customized keto diet plan now in the description down below.